Hello there, and welcome to another UGS stream. Yes indeed, it's yours truly, Kaado. The happy things, actually the thing that I'm really happy and hype about. Before we say that, we need to talk about another thing that I'm super happy and hype about, which is our beautiful community. The Discord channel is the place that you can go and talk to us at any time you want. You know, we do our best to be online and respond to people, and you know, there's also this. Yes, fan arts. Yes indeed, so let me do a shout out to Moonrunner9 on our community to making a fan art of Ian in voxel 3D art, which is pretty awesome. For those who don't know, voxel is the, let's say, Minecraft art style, which is the blocky style things of doing art, you know? And yeah, there is Ian. Yes indeed. Welcome Mr. H. Welcome Droian 2030. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. I would love to say 24. But yeah, we both know that's not gonna happen. That's probably going to be 25, hopefully, 26, 27, who knows? Well, we have a saying that it's going to be released when it's ready, you know? We need to hold on the horses because there is a pretty awesome thing that I want to show you. And I believe people in chat are asking me to show you, which is pretty awesome. So, you know, UGS team, can I show them? Can I show them? Let's search something, you know? Let's go to Steam. It's on! Yes indeed! Droian is on Steam, finally! So, you know, we have finally made it! Our Steam Droian page. There you go. So, for those of you who want to, you know, actually know when it's released, we have the Steam page for Droian already on Steam. Of course, it's the Steam page. And you know, you can click this little button. Well, I'm on the Portuguese version, so it says this. Can I change the language, please? So we can have something more universal. There you go, English. Yes, indeed. You can add this to your wishlist. Of course, I have done already. I just don't have the login on this browser that I only use for showing stuff on stream, but yes, indeed, we have Droian on Steam. Not the actual game, you know, it's for just wishlist for now, you see. Look, a little Ian waving. Oh yeah, there's little Ian, there's the animation in here. Yep. Of course, I could show you the entire page, which I would love to do, but if you want to see it, you must go there yourself. Yes, indeed. So yeah, come and visit Droian on Steam, see what's going on with our entire page and see the little secrets we have in there, in the texts, you know, and if you wish so. And we would really appreciate wishlist this game on Steam. Yes, indeed, I'm pretty happy for this. It was something that I was actually waiting for a long time, which was a real game on Steam. That was something, an achievement that I wanted to accomplish, and yeah. Chat's gonna be chat, and let me just try and actually word something. So, I have the Limbo AI already in here. I'm not gonna do tutorials and show you how to put plugins on Godot and whatnot. Maybe in the future, maybe on Kaado stuff, you know, because UGS is for development and actually not. I'm learning on UGS channel, so you know. You can enjoy my learning experience because I was a teacher before, but I'm not here to teach, I'm here to learn. And yeah, the best way to learn is to actually teach, but that's not the point for today. Today is just to have an experience and, you know, get my hands dirty with this thing in here. So first off, instead of just trying to wing it and start to, you know, mess around with this and whatnot, we should always do the best thing to do when learning a new tool and actually open the manual. Yes, indeed. The teacher has become the student. Jokes aside, every teacher must be a student, otherwise it's not a great teacher. The student has become the master. That's actually... The master has become the student. That's more a joke. Yeah. And I'm something of a doctor myself. Yeah, you can say that. Edge. Come on. The stupid browser that I only use for this. Limbo AI on stream. Come on. There you go. Shout out to the creator and whatnot. Limbo Out, Limbo AI. There you go. There's the thing. There's maybe a new version. Huh. There's actually a new version. Well, let's try it. Why not? Is it stable? I mean, great question. There is fix, and more fix, and more fix, and more fix, and I don't see new features. So I'm pretty sure it's actually more stable than the other that I had in the project. So maybe it's a good idea to download it. Let's do this one, because why not? And the thing that I was saying about not showing you how to install a plugin, well, at least I'm going to show you how to update one, hopefully. I'm actually hoping that it's just something of opening, extracting the things to Godot project folder, you know. See, this is my folder, as I have shown before, you know, my Godot project. There's this thing in here. I'm going to extract this to here and replace what needs to be replaced, because why not? I need to close this project, otherwise things may break. Let's do it again, just to make sure. Yes. And it's done. Should we have the demo? Yeah, why not? This is a test folder for Ian, so don't worry too much about it. You see? It's meant to break. Hell yeah, it's meant to break. What an awesome experience. Don't having to worry about things break because they are actually supposed to break today. Learning with today's mistakes will make our future game not break tomorrow. Now, I need something from here. Something that might help me do stuff, you know? Godot. I was distracted and I haven't noticed the error of Godot shutting down. That's not what I have told you to do, though. The bliss of trying things outside the project build, yes indeed. And they not working. Come on. There's dear, Godot, yes. Open please. Pretty please. Please, please, please. Don't crash. There's scanning stuff. There is shenanigans stuff. Limbo AI is still in here, importing stuff. Come on. Come on. I swear to you, this engine is becoming more and more similar to other annoying engines, which is taking a long time just to open a freaking thing. Well, anyway, let me just do something in here before we start with the learning experience, you see. Could it be because of all the plugins? Nah. It's new assets with new projects, you see. That's why he's doing that stuff. Well, the game is really sluggish. I don't know why. It's because I'm streaming and my computer is pooping itself? No, because my CPU is actually fine. And I think my GPU is fine as well. Maybe. I don't know. Let me see. Is my something back to the max? Other than my... No, it's actually fine. I don't know why it's laggy. I need to discover. Maybe one day. You see, the controls have that delay. No, it's not the delay weird thing. It's the refresh rate of the monitor. Maybe it's not picked up on the stream because of the potato quality of, you know, my stream. But I'm seeing some choppiness, weirdness on the FPS that I haven't seen before. Maybe because I'm playing an actual game level instead of my test area. I don't know. You know, that only means there's room for optimizations, you see. That's not what we are doing today, though. Today, I want to go to, you know, test areas because I want my test areas and I want something, let me see, maybe this one, yes, maybe this one, and let me do the automatic thing. I want cool map in here that I can use, please. Where's this? Oh, we have multiple things now. Cool. Hell yeah, not this one. Let's just do something easy. Hopefully. And there you go, something like that. Let's save this and go to the Matches. I didn't want to go to Matches today, but that's fine. Actually, it's not near. Actually, yeah, Matches. I don't want to play with you anymore. I hope people understand the reference. It's a pretty easy one. Let me see. Where's my base? Where's my base? Where's my base scene? Come on, base scene. It should be somewhere. Base scene, there you go. In this base scene I want to open I need to do something. Let's just do this. So copy, paste. There we go. And now I can do this and test scenes. There you go. Hopefully this will open the... Come on. That wasn't what I wanted, so I'm actually going to match this. And I want to go to my secret thing. Where's my thing? There you go, my thing. And do this. There you go. It's an assignment, and I want my test thing. This one. There you go. This one. Thank you. There's no bullshit, I hope. There you go. Something like this. A big freaking area where I can play around with baddies. Yeah. So, close this thing, Yes, baddies. Pixel John knows it. And yeah, that was the thing that I was saying. It's still choppy, but not as much as it was in the actual game. It's still choppy, I can see the choppiness still, but there's no... It's not as choppy. Well, that might be because I'm just streaming, I don't know, whatever. Don't really care too much, to be honest. Right now, I just want to dev as much as I can. So let me just do this in here and close this. Yeah, now I want to just delete, in this case close, let's use the proper words, every single level that I'm not gonna mess around. Yeah, there is this thing. This is where we are. Now, I'm going to check edge. Posture check, thank you, and hydration. Drink water, my people. It's very healthy. So, Limbo AI, Behavior Tree and State Machines, that's actually a very awesome thing in here. Now, it's an open source C++ plugin for Godot 4, which is pretty awesome, and you can see it's MIT license, so it's actually is open source being an actually good open source, you know. So that is the MIT license, blah blah blah, permission, everybody. Free of charge, do whatever, and we can do whatever, which is pretty awesome. Thank you for doing this open source so we can do whatever. Now, I want to learn more. Can we use it together to create complex AI behaviors? It comes to behavior tree, put in documentation. Yes, I need all the documentation today. Visual debugger, extensive demo project with a tutorial and more. Project is implemented in C++, it fully supports GD script. That's actually what we use. If you enjoy using, please consider supporting. Yes, indeed. And there's donation and a Ko-Fi link, so yes, indeed. If you actually like this, and yes, I'm going to shamelessly plug our Ko-Fi as well, links down in the description. UGS has a Ko-Fi link. We actually need monies to open the company. There is a link in the description, yes, indeed. now that I'm not being greedy, let's talk about the Ko-Fi of this person. Yes, this person that actually made a pretty cool plugin, and yeah, there's the link to support them if you enjoy this, which is pretty awesome. Support the creators, always. Now, let's see this thing. Yes, there is a sneak peek of the things to come. Behavior trees are a powerful hierarchy structure, goes up to blah blah blah, yes indeed. Let me see. I'm reading, don't worry. I don't actually like to read and talk at the same time what I'm reading. Yeah, okay, now there is, for example, this thing, which is controlling the behavior of this character and whatnot. The thing that I wanted to see is a written tutorials. That's what I actually wanted to do. There you go. Follow the first step guide to learn how to get started with Limbo AI and I bet this is just the installation of our plugin or whatever. There's stuff in here. Also, sorry for the flashbang. What the hell, the Limbo documentation? Where's my dark mode? My eyes. Why is not default though? Come on. It burns my eyes. Yes. Why this is not default? Dark mode. Come on. Okay. Limbo documentation. Yes, we need all the documentation. Getting Limbo. We done that. Choose the version you like to use. Yeah. Using GD extension thing. Blah blah blah. I just want a tutorial. Where can I get my tutorial? Introduction to behavior trees. I know what a behavior tree is, and I'm not gonna explain it in chat. Sorry chat. F's in chat for chat. Because I'm not teaching them what behavior trees are. This is not a class. Haha, I'm not doing teacher job anymore. So, I'm liking what I'm seeing. Now there is a lot of things in here, and yeah, I'm already bored. Let me see. Introduction to behavior trees, creating the syntax in JavaScript. I just wanted a get started tutorial. Come on. Okay, documentation might be just something like a documentation is, which is something cool. That is the thing. I'm used to the Unity and Unreal documentation with pretty introductory tutorials and whatnot, and that's why I'm doing what I'm doing right now. I know Godot isn't... Well, Godot is pretty good when it comes to documentation as well, but it's not at the same level, and I understand why, you know. Open source stuff, it's still a smaller engine compared to, well, Godot is a huge engine, but compared to Unity and Unreal, you know, it's not a whale, it's like a shark, you know. Let's just put it that way. It's a megalodon, and you know, Unreal it's like a whale, and Unity is a giant whale, something pretty huge, like a sea creature that doesn't exist, you know. Anyway, I'm starting to know that I will need to use that thing in the demo to do the tutorial. Wait a second. There's stable and latest. Alright. First steps, introduction, creating some tasks. That's just the thing that I have seen in documentation. Come on. Alright. I'm going to do your stupid demo thing. First off, I want a showcase. Let's see. Will you work good now? No, you won't. Alright. Let's see if they have fixed the... No, they don't. No, they have fixed the UI problems. So there's the sequence, which can do the pause and whatnot, and there's the pursue player. I actually would love to see this thing. Ooh, I'm starting to like this. Alright, there's the sequence. The sequence starts the sequence, which makes sense, which goes to the pause before action. And in the pause before action, it plays the idle and waits, which makes sense. Then it goes to pursue the player. It starts pursuing the player, and it plays the walk animation and do the code to pursue the player. Get first node in group player, and then assign it to target. There's all the code to do that, which is, you know, so get first node in group. Okay, that's right. I'm starting to see stuff that, you know, yeah. Now, target. Let me see how you're doing that. Let me see how you're doing that. Yes, now. Yeah, that's fine. And then melee attacks, and yeah, something simple. So let's try and attempt to do that, you know? Yeah. Now, agent, charger 3, charge attack, short break, flank. That is when we were messing around in the future, you know? Yes. I still don't know how to get out of this. Come on, let me get out of this, please. Pretty please. I said, get out. Now. I want the dude, the little dude that we have in here. So area dummy, is this the one? No, it isn't. Of course, this is not doing the thing I want because I need to do this. And waiting a second, let me open this, showcase, there's the arena, there's the environment and props, dummy, and this dude. This one is what we want. There you go. This little dude. Let's analyze it, you see, because I want to go to here. Let me close this thing and this showcase because I don't care about that anymore. And let's open the assets, not these demo assets, our assets. So characters, enemies. Yes, indeed. It's gonna be you. Flying enemy, I choose you. There's the dude, and you know, let's just do something like in here. This is the little thing, the character body to this, so let's do the same thing. So, character body to this. And let's put the thing in there, you know, for now. Do we want animations? I don't know. There you go. Yes, that's enough. That is enough. Now I want to make sure I'm on the center. So, position, transform, I want to be on 0. And then I want to move this dude. Yeah. Now I want a collider. It's gonna be a collision shape. Collision shape needs what? Yes, it needs something in here. A circle, that's fine. Something like this. So, Kaado, can you move your cam to where the files are? Let me try and attempt to do that. And yes, I'm using the old layout because I was lazy and sorry, I haven't created the things, so we all have the same OBS with the same layouts and things. Yeah. So let me just try and attempt to do that. Let me see, where is the thing? I'm starting to get not this one, not this one. So there's the overlay and the bongo cut. So yeah, let's take off the thing and do this. Something like that. Yeah, maybe in here. I don't want to hide the errors thing from chat because it's, you know, maybe it's gonna be something that's gonna appear in there, you see. So yeah. Now, we have the flying bats in here with the collisions and everything, which is pretty awesome, you see. What should we do now? Let me see. There's roots and rigs and all this bullshit that I don't care because it's all, you know, there's it collision shapes and alright, this is not what I want to deal with right now. There's death and summon. I actually don't want to deal with this. Also, there's a collision, of course there is. There's a health. It's just a script for health. Okay. Player animation, because of course there is. I could put an animation or bat as well. Position, rotation, scale. Oh, for everything. Alright. Just because chat is going to enjoy me doing that, I'm actually going to do that. animation player. And I'm going to do this thing, or attempt to, because I don't actually know how to do that on top of my head. And yeah, where is the thing? Okay, there's player animation. Yeah, how does one create animation? New. Yes. Add. Property can be this thing, I believe. It's I believe it's the H frames. Is it? Is it the H frames? Let me see the H frames. No, it isn't. It's in here, so it's just the frames. It's not this one. Come on. Come on. Let me choose one, this one, and frames. There you go, something like that. And now I want insert key and insert key and insert key and insert key. And per key, let me just do a value of 0, 1, 2, and the last one, 3. Because this one is annoying me, let's just cut it because it's the same thing, right? So remove, there you go. Oh, now the animation is going for too long. How does one cut this one? It's in here? Where is it? Where does one set the animation time? You see? I want this animation to be 4 seconds. Or 6 seconds. I believe it's the best time. So, where does one do that? It's not in here. I don't want to snap. I can be in frames, but I want to, you know, the reducing thing in here. You see? I want to remove this. Thank you. There you go. Yeah. Moving. Yeah, there is another way of doing animations. There is an older way, which is the way we do the animations. And there's this one. So, Pixel John, there you go. There's this way to do animations, and there's the other way that you use on Droian and Xaria to do animations as well. And to be fair, Roxy has a secret that I'm not gonna share, but she may or may not be laughing for me for not actually know this on top of my head, because I know if I was in that place of saying someone doing something that I actually know how to do it because I have learned how to do that, I will be, you know, trying to be annoying. You see? Of don't do this way, do that way, and it's that thing, you know? The same thing that I actually do to Pixel John when he's streaming. You now got it, you see? Because you are doing that thing. No, don't be sorry, that's fine. It's actually a good thing. Yes, and I'm not gonna spoiler more things. There you go, you see, you got it. Backseating, yes indeed, yes indeed. Our beloved and annoying backseating. Now, we have a moving enemy. This is nothing to do with Limbo AI, and we have streamed for 1 hour and 10. We have an enemy. I'm gonna push it down just a little bit to, you know, be on camera. Now, what can we take off from here? There is this thing, the BT player. I want this thing. So, let's create a behavior tree. BT player. Yes. Now I want a new behavior tree and I want to open it. Now I want a sequence. In this sequence I want it to do stuff. Let's open this just to have an idea. So we have our new one. Is this the new one? Maybe I should rename it just to make sure, you see. Let me just do something like... Yeah, I closed it. Of course I did. Clear. Let's make a new one. And let's try to save it. There you go. There's a very weird name. Where did you save this in here? You didn't. Make unique. I just want to make something. Let's try to do this in here, in this folder, because why not? Create new resource maybe, and behavior tree. I want to name it Batwing, because I forgot how this creature is called. And because this is going to be its AI, I'm gonna call it AI. It's not actually an AI, it's just some stupid behavior tree. It's his brain, so yeah! There you go. Now, this thing I can close it, because I'm not using. There's Batwing AI. Hell yeah, Noctiwings. Lol. Yes, it's Noctiwings. Now, I want to create a sequencer, so let's do a sequence. and let's do something like this. So pause before action. Pause. This is a sequence. And I can name it pause before. Let me see. Pause before action. Yeah. And now what do you want with this warning? It's not even telling me why there's a warning. Let's just ignore it. Yay! Play animation idle. It doesn't matter, and wait. 0.7215 seconds. Yay! So, play animation. Of course, because I'm doing animation stuff, of course I'm going to need to go there and create a new animation. Animation. Cancel, I want to create a new animation. There's this animation. Can I rename it? Edit. Rename. Can I rename it? No? Alright. New. Idle. Will this work? Of course not. Then I will need to do the things again. Well, the thing that didn't work did the wrong thing. Come on. This wasn't the thing that I wanted to do. Flying. Come on. There's the frame. There's 0.6. And let's do the things. Come on. Insert. Yo. Insert the thing. Come on. You can do it. There's flying. Spread the shit thing. It's not working. Come on. Of course, let's not forget about this. And I have the thing, which is this. The frame, which is that. I select this. I right click. Insert key. Okay, let's do this, select, copy, let's go there, paste. God damn it. Can I copy this? There's cool things in here, but I'm just gonna ignore it, right? Can I double this? No, I can't. This can be this one. And this one should be... I just wanted to make something simple. Come on. Just a frame, but slower. Can I? Come on. It is something to do with this? Of course. Of course. Come on, let me select and then let me move them. Go away. The snap is deselected. Property, this, frame, right click, insert frame, move to 0, then move this to like 4, .4, insert another, and then let's make it 8, and insert another. And actually I'm going to do 6 and 12. 0.12. 1.2 actually. It's do math, please. This is 6. This is 1.2. And there's the 2, there's the 1, and there's the 0. I see something wrong in here, so let's just do it properly. So this is going to be 0.4, this is going to be 0.8. There you go. That's how you do animation. And this one, yeah, cool, done. BT play, which is the Limbo thing. Play animation. Animation to play. Can't I just drag the thing there? How does one select the thing? Remove, because I don't want this. How does one select the thing that I want to do? Let me see what you are doing in here. How does one do this? So, animation player, that's fine. And there's this, idle. Alright. So, in here, there's the animation player, load. So are you telling me that I need to save this? Can I do it like that? Or save it as a resource, the same thing that I did with the AI thing, you know, these trees. Yeah, let's just try to do this and see what happens. So characters, enemies, and animation player TSM, because why not? And yeah, there's that. Can I now do this? Of course I can't. It needs to be a tree thing. Of course it does. Of course it does. How does one do that? Struggling. You see? Winging things is never a bad idea. Well, it's actually every time a bad idea. It's been so long since I made this guy's animation, I don't even remember how many frames it's at. Don't worry about that. It doesn't really matter. Because I'm doing weird stuff. Learning, you see? Learning with the experience, because I should be the one actually making a proper tutorial for this and actually studying this. But I'm just having fun, messing around with this and trying to discover things my way, which is the stupid way. So, of course it's the stupid way because I haven't searched for a video online, maybe? Of course, probably there is a video online. And let's be honest, I have worked an entire 9 to 5, which is actually not a 9 to 5, it's more of getting up at 7:20 and arriving home at 6:30 p.m. kinda job. So yeah, not funny. Still, let's do something like this. Resource. Animation. Player. No. I just want this thing to be recognized in this thing. What should the person do to do that? New BB code? It's that? It's this? Is it? Is it going to work? Now, wait, the wait thing. Wait 2 seconds. This should be inside there. There you go. And now another sequence. Come on. The sequence goes outside. There's the pause. And we are going to do... There's the animation thing, please. It calls play animation. This goes in here. And this is walking. This case, flying. Play animation, and I'm going to do the same bullshit, I think. Let's see if this works. And this, I need to go here. Can I just do press 2 or right click and no, I can't. I can't just rename this bullshit. God damn it. New animation. Let's see if I don't do a typo. new underscore animation. There you go. And now another wait. This time I want 3 seconds. Close it. I didn't call you. Why am I on code? Hey! Limbo, there you go. Why are you doing a warning? Action, can't have child tasks. Of course. There you go. Let's test. Will you do something? Hello Kyoko. Hello there. Welcome back. I recently did the update today, now I'm taking a break for the next update. Yeah, talking about things. There is some expansion and lore tweaking on the next update, so you are talking about other things. That's pretty cool. Yeah, we have a Discord channel that will be pretty cool to see that project of yours there. Yes, you can share that on free promotions on our Discord channel, which will be awesome to see your projects there. So, as you can see, I don't know if people have noticed it, but it is working. Hell yeah! This thing is actually... Well, I have struggled a little bit because of the animation stuff that I haven't played around with and haven't learned yet, because I used to use the old system and programming animations and whatnot. Having a behavior tree is cool. I believe there's a state thing, the state... how does that thing called? The state machine, which is pretty cool to make animation transitions and whatnot, which is awesome. Very awesome. That's a thing that I miss from Unity on Godot. It was a state machine, and Limbo AI has state machines, which is pretty awesome, and it's probably different than Unity, and I don't know if I'm going to use it or not, but yeah, that's a thing. Yeah, the bats their wings. Yes, yes it does. Now, what should I do? Let me see. Pursue the player. What's this? Get first node in group player. And then there's a pursue. So you have an output var which is target, alright, and there's this group player, alright. So to make sure I need to open Ian, or playable Ian, and check the group things, and there's player. Yes. It's in group players already, which is good. Which means I can do the thing. when it's flying, I want it to pursue me. Let me see. Shots going on. Make the bat be angry. Yes, I will. Somewhat. It's going to pursue the player. Still not hitting the player. That's for the future. Now since I'm tired with all of the hotfixing, I have to go and rest for the day. Yeah, that's what I should have done for today, but you know, if I rest, there is no Droian, so yeah. Like Roxy said, have a good rest, and thank you for coming by, which was actually appreciated. Having viewers is nice, having active chatters is awesome. Thank you for coming in. And don't forget, there's the Droian Steam. Wishlist it, please. You know, thank you. There you go. You are late on this one. I'm sorry, Max. Yeah. Still talking about Roxy, so yeah. This is the sad truth. Kaado is god of Droian. We are the gods. We are the creators of this world. Wahahaha. Yeah. The evil laughs aside, yeah. There's something that would be said about creating games that people, you know, tend to be and tend to not notice. It's that actually game developers are creators of worlds. Putting that way, it makes me feel weird. I can't say it's good or bad, but yeah. Because I like to develop games, but it's actually painful as well, so yeah. There's that. There's that. Now, let's try to make the thing move with the Limbo AI code, because why not? This thing, get first node in group. Does this exist? Or it's just code from the project, which I actually think it is. So let me see. There's the check trigger and whatnot. There's probably blah blah blah. There's all these things. Await a new. Ooh, this is nice. For things. I like that. Comments and whatnot. There's fails, random wait ticks. Is there a probability thing? Random sequence. Ooh. There is a probability selector. Even ooh. I'm starting to like this thing. I'm actually starting to like this thing. It's pretty awesome. And if you know how this works, even anyone, well, if someone knows how this works, it can actually do it. But yeah, you see, the artists in chat saying, damn, this is really cool. You see the things, the light starting to, you know, turn on and whatnot. Obviously I can code myself in GD script these actions, every single thing in here, you see. But having the easiness of, let's just say, I want this, let's play around, because I'm actually in the mood to play around. Probably this thing, come on, go back to that. I want this inside there and this inside there. Come on, do the thing. And I want this inside there as well. if I remove this, does it remove everything? Of course it does. Can I make this close? There you go. And this can remove. Yeah, remove them. So, how does one? So there you have. Let's make it 30% weight, 70% flying. Yes, make life easier. Look out, he is playful today. Well, this is actually the thing that I was set out to do for today, you know, playing with Limbo AI and discovering things. Have you seen? Come on, do the thing, you know, spread your wings, and now go to the, you know, there's this idle and there's the flying. It's slow and then it's flying. And then sometimes it's going to stop. See? And then it flies. Awesome. I'm going to increase this timer. I'm always double clicking the thing because it's not opening. Well, I was in node. Of course it's not. Let's make it like 5 seconds. And these 3 seconds, that's fine. That's actually fine. Now, how does the thing from here... What's this? This question mark. What's this thing? How does one get one question mark thingy? What is this? It's a script? Is this a script? Is this a script? Alright, let's try and add a script in here. Alright, let's try another script in here. There's not bars, there's no stuff in here. This one is get first node in group. Get first node in group. Let me see on the add-ons, and it's not on add-ons, it's in demo. And agents, scripts. No, it's not that. What's this? Let's try and find the thing. Where are you? Where are you hidden? There you go. Can I just do something like this? No. How does one add this thing in here? BT action. Okay. My brain is starting to compute now. BT action. No, it's not a BT action. What is that thing? Scene, utility, cal, method. Is it this thing? Is it this thing? Of course it is. Why don't you have the same icon? Come on, man. Come on! Player. Does this need to be specific and whatnot? Custom name, resource scriptures. That. This one is a little bit different though. Because there's this thing. So it's not this. It's close to this. But it's not this. Just a bitty task. Base class for all behavior tree. Not this thing. If I can find it, I can just go. There you go. Yes, I'm doing the bad stuff. Copy paste is always bad. But yeah, BT action. Roxy is actually helping. I think. Is it BT action? Can I find it? This BT action. Or in the commentation. Yeah, that's that. See, Roxy is doing the good thing, which is visit the documentation. I'm already bored. Yep. I just wanted to know something quick and dirty to put this thing in here, and I have discovered it. Copy pasta. So yeah. Copy pasta. And I'm obviously doing the same thing for this, because why not? There you go. And yeah, I think that is. Let's see. The evil copy pasta. Yeah. Let's see what this thing does. It's not actually doing the thing. It did the thing. It break. Of course it did. Of course it did. Of course you will do this. Why are you doing this? Face there. Of course you're trying to do something stupid. What's even this? What's you trying to do in here? No. I say no. define doing? Well, spreading its wings, attempting to do something. I'm like that meme of the doodle drawing with a stick, trying to, you know, do it, asking it to do it something, you know? The animation is doing, the code isn't. This is actually the part that I should be, you know, trying to understand the code of Limbo AI, which is another thing in itself. I have done that with masses with much pain off my brain because, you know, analyzing our code is always painful. Analyzing other people's code that is actually way more organized than yours, but trying to understand it, it's quite painful sometimes. And I don't know if it's going to be easy or not, but that's something for another day. Because yes, of course, we couldn't end the stream without a freaking bug. Still, for those of you that... Of course it's doing other bullshit. Stop it! Let's go to Limbo and quickly remove this thing from here, because I'm starting to understand how these things work. And let's make it, you know, move faster, just to make it more funny. Yeah. This thing. Let's make it 1 second. So, 1 second. Point 1, this is point 2, and this is like point 3. Come on, do the point 3. Let me... Point 3. Come on. I need to select this. Go there. Why can't I? Come on. I can do this. I can do this. But I can't do this. I'm tired. I don't care about this. Come on. Just let me put 2.3. Come on. Don't be like that. Don't be painful. I'm trying to write. Come on. It's even selected and everything. It doesn't even let me create a new animation or anything. I can move these things, but I cannot... Well, now I can't even move the thing. I can change its value, but I can't do that. What's going on? Save everything, because why not? Can't override. I can't even save this thing. Okay, when I try to save this thing... Yeah, why not? Cannot override because it's open. Save and close. Don't save. Close. Just close. Of course it didn't save the, you know, all the things that we have done so far. You bet. This is fine. But this thing in here, you are here. There's the idol. Thank you. It just needed close and open again. What's the best thing to do in here? Well, this must go 0. That's fine. This goes to point 1, this goes to point 2. There you go. And yeah, save that. Let's play and see what we have learned today. So today we have learned to make this guy flop around and sometimes, please. There you go! Sometimes he rests, when he feels like it, because it's probability. Hell yeah! See? How he goes around for a long time. And then when he feels like it, he rests. And then when probability triggers in, he starts flopping around again. See? See? See how this can evolve for, you know, having a boss following you, stopping following you, performing an attack, start following you again, stops performing an attack. If it's an attack, how much damage he does, starts following you again. Next time he's going to do another attack. And you can see how we can evolve with this Limbo AI thing to, you know, make enemy do cool shit for us. Yeah. For now I need to see the bug thingy from the, you know, of course things that I do copy pasta gonna break because it's not the same thing, and I'm going to need to continue evolving and learning how to implement our own code in this Limbo AI so our enemy do what we want. But that's all for today, you know. My brain is mush, does not compute anymore, even English is broken, and yeah. Oh. Is OBS right? Or my internet got poo-poo? I don't know if the stream has broken or not. I got a warning on Windows that OBS was reconnection successful and disconnected and whatnot. Well, it was 4G doing what 4G does. You were half a minute away for 2 hours, but you fought valiantly. I can still see and hear. Yeah. Yeah, it was the 4G doing 4G things, and actually, well, it's the Goddess Milis telling me to stop. Yes, the insanity creeping in. My flesh is rotten, and I'm slowly dying and going insane. Yeah. That was way earlier. I thought it was my connection that bugged for a minute. Oh, alright then. I think it's fine. Well, I hope you have enjoyed. Let me just pause the music because, you know, things. Before I go away, of course, I'm going to do the things that people may not have seen before because you have tuned in later. Droian! Yay! This game is on Steam. Well, the wish list for this game is on Steam. So there you go. We have Droian page on Steam, you know. There's this little beautiful button that you can press, you know. Click it. And I already done it. I won't do login in this browser. But yeah. Droian, Steam, love it. And thank you for watching. My brain is actually broken. See you next time.